Hi, welcome to our Russian language course. With Rogo and our teachers, we will show you the beauty of our country. Our first lesson is about the Russian alphabet and your personal goals. Answer the question, why do you want to study the Russian language? Your goal is your biggest motivation, but you also need dedication and patience. The Russian language is challenging, but our course will help you to become fluent in Russian. To start with, let's greet each other in Russian. Привет or Здравствуйте. Let me show you the difference. We say привет, which means hi, when communicating with our friends or peers, family members. This one is informal. When communicating with elderly, unfamiliar people, use здравствуйте, which means hello, a very formal way to greet somebody. Now, let's talk about the Russian alphabet. Some things you should know in advance, and the most pleasant one is about the ability to read everything as soon as you learn the letters. The English alphabet has 26 letters, while the Russian alphabet has 33 letters. But don't worry, some of them are already familiar to you. We will look through all the letters and read them. Pay attention to my lips and try to copy my mimics. We work with the sounds. Right now, it's not necessary to know the names of the letters. A as in father, B as in boy, V as in van, G as in get, D as in dress, yesterday, your, yonder, measure, zoo, meat, toy, k as in class, l as in love, m as mother, n as in name, o as in bottle, p as in paper, r as in rat, s as in smile, t as in tan, u as in cool, f as in farm, h as in loch, ts as in it's, ch as in cheese, sh as in fish, sh in fresh, hard sign, u as in bill, soft sign, as in bat, u in Yugoslavia, ya as in yard. So that's all for our first lesson. Your homework is start learning the alphabet. See you next class.